talofa again. This is a short video. I consider it a Samoa matter still, since it has to do with a common occasion, which is the birthday celebration, and notably has more to do with the Samoan version of the song Happy Birthday. I often see Samoan videos of birthday celebrations, and when he gets to the point of singing the song, there is no problem or hiccup with the English version. But when he gets to the Samoan version, especially the last line, it seems that the Samoans still have not agreed on what that last line is or what it should be. People seem to get lost and end up with different words. Most people, however, use this one now, Manuia le tua. Manuia le tua. But even that, there is still a seeming collective reluctance and hesitation when it gets to that point in the song. In Samoan songs and in Samoan songwriting, rhyme or rhyming is the main poetic device used and or preferred, especially end rhyme. And so the fact that there's no end rhyme for Fanau in that last line, the song suddenly becomes incoherent, incomplete, and mumbled most of the time. And so here's my suggested line as the complement, with LE, of course, to the song, Ia telenis yaso esau, which literally means, and many more days to come, or many more to come. Not only this line rhymes with Fanau, but more importantly, it could not be more suitable, relevant, and germane. Let me go ahead and try and sing the song, the Samoan part, and along with my suggested line. Manuia lo aso fanau, Manuia lo aso fanau, Manuia lo aso fanau, Ia telenisi aso esau, and many more days to come. Manuia lo aso fanau, Manuia lo aso fanau, Manuia lo aso fanau, Ia telenisi aso esau. Pass the word along and fast so for ya.